Jai Guruji Sangat Ji. Today I am going to share a satsang from Guruji's pious book Surcharged with Divine Love, chapter 13. Before starting, I want to share a few lines. It is an incomparable journey where the Guru leads you from the visible to the invisible, from the material to the divine, from the ephemeral to the eternal. Wish you all a very happy journey and lots of good wishes, blessings. May we all continue to grow as a Sangat Parivar and have the best of our journeys with our Guruji. I also want to do sincere Shukrana to Guruji for creating a family like no other in form of the Sangat Parivar, and I also want to do Shukrana to Guruji with all my heart and gratitude for taking us in his Sharan. Surcharged with Divine Love, Chapter 13, My Resume. Guruji, I want to start working. I told Guruji the day I finished my studies. Since Guruji had forbidden me to pursue my dream of becoming a clinical psychologist, citing the reason that it was a subject for the crazy, I picked up an alternative career in interior designing. I understood why he was discouraging me from studying psychology. I remembered a few of my past lives, and Guruji did not want me to go deeper into it. It's not that psychology is a subject for the crazy. Probably I would have gone crazy delving too deep into my past. Assuming he didn't hear me, I repeated my request. Guruji, I would like to start working now, I said. No, I don't want you to work just yet. But why? I pleaded. With a very stern look on his face, he told me not to question his decision. I got involved with Seva at the temple, and the thought of working never came up until 2005. I saw all my friends earning well and had great jobs, and by then it hurt to see that I hadn't progressed. In 2005, Guruji finally started talking about my working. He would send me to go give interviews in Delhi, asked me to come straight back, give him feedback. Each time I gave him a feedback, he would take out some point and told me to disregard the job completely. This kept going on till one day he asked me to bring my resume. I got my resume typed and I felt ashamed at having to give it to him since it was only half a page long and I had absolutely no work experience. Not having the courage to go up to him with my resume, I sent my mother to give it to him. She was then asked to keep it under his asan in the room. Many days went by, and when I did not get any response from Guruji, I asked him, Guruji, when I finished my interiors, someone in Delhi had promised to give me a job. Please, can I join him? Guruji asked me the details of that person. After a long thought, he said, No. I was very upset that Guruji had once again said no, and that too without giving me a valid reason for it. Many days passed, and one day, Guruji called me to his asan and introduced me to an IAS couple sitting with him. Guruji then told them about my job offer with that particular person in Delhi, and as soon as the wife heard his name, she said, Don't ever think of working with that man. He has a very bad reputation. Guruji then looked at me and asked, Now tell me, do you still want to work for him? I felt bad that I doubted my Guru's decision and said, No, Guruji, I will do as you say. Shamefaced, I walked back to where I was sitting and decided never to ask him about a job again. Although I kept my promise not to ask him again, the need to do something and become something was getting stronger by the day. Just before Guruji took Mahasamadhi, he called my mother and told her that I was remaining upset and that he had given me permission to start working. On hearing this, I never felt happy as I probably should have. I had other issues worrying me, like who'll give me a job now? Or how will I explain my not working for so many years? Guruji left his body on 31st May 2007, and it was his after samadhi, that I finally decided to work. When I stepped out into the world, I realized I needed to upgrade my skills. I studied further and worked under an architect for a while before I started working on my own. I set up my own company, built a team of workers. Not having any work experience, I started off with small projects like one room renovations and slowly built up a reputation for myself. Wanting to further add to my skills, I trained under a landscape architect in Hyderabad who appreciated my work so much that he offered me partnership in all his projects. Today, with Guruji's grace, my resume is a couple of pages long. It was my first project where I was to landscape the office of the Chief Information Commissioner at Hyderabad. I was just given a week to prepare the plans, and I was told that my design will be one among a few others that the board will finally decide and choose. In a hurry to complete my plan on time, I made a major mistake of showing a double road as single. The architect of the building had proposed that the officers will be dropped off at the entrance and the cars will take a U turn and go out the same way. This plan was already approved. I instead gave a single road and, after dropping officers at the entrance, showed a back gate where the cars would go out from and get parked. I sent my drawings to Hyderabad. On the very day of the meeting, while getting the final printouts taken, my partner realized the mistake. It was too late to change the drawings. My partner said he would show the design as it was. You have messed up, and we don't have much time to make corrections now. So you better pray to your Guruji to help, or we will have to wash our hands off this project, he said. I was heartbroken at the thought of messing up my first project and prayed to Guruji to help. It so happened that the commissioner himself was present at the meeting, and he, along with the board, selected our design. The plan was approved as it was, and the architect was instructed to keep the road single. Nicho Ooch Kare Mera Gobind was a line Guruji narrated to me many times, but its significance I understood now. By not letting me work, he gave me an opportunity to serve him. And when he did let me work, he lifted me above all the other friends I used to compare myself with. I am what I am today because of him. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji.